In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy PDF24 Creator. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I will begin this video by downloading PDF24 executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here. That brings me to PDF24 download page. Here I will click on this download button, and here I will switch from exe to MSI file, and I will click on this download button. And then I will go to my downloads folder and wait for the executable. And now I will right click on the executable, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And here I will be placing the executable in a network share that is accessible to my users and computers. And for that I will open File Explorer. I will enter my file server name here, SRV02, software share, and here I will create another folder. I will name it PDF24 Creator. I will go inside of it and I will place the executable here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages. I will select new package. I will name the package PDF24 Creator. And then I will click on steps, install. Here I need to provide my executable installation file, and for that I will click on the button right here. Once again, I will go to my file server, SRV02, software share, PDF24 Creator folder, and select the installation file here. And because I'm using an MSI file, we don't need to provide any other values. So I will save the package and close the window. And now I will be deploying this package to a few of my clients, and for that I will click on deploy button right here, then deploy once. Then I will select my computers by clicking on choose targets, Active Directory, and computers. And I will select my client 01 and client 02. Then I will click on this button and my targets appeared in this window. I will click OK and deploy. And now we need to wait a bit. And the deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients, but I will double check by going to my client 01 that I have here. And as you can see, here we have our PDF24 desktop shortcuts. I will click on the launcher and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.